Hi everyone, welcome to Question AI video. B6B. How must the ampacities of conductors be adjusted if placed in locations of high ambient temperatures are? B6B How. Reference number 1. Reference number 2. Code work assignment. B6C. How must the current-carrying conductors be adjusted if 4 or more are run in the same raceway? B6C How. Reference number 1. Reference number 2. The rules for load calculations for branch circuits are found in what article in TAT? Want the full explanation? Check out the details below for the complete answer.